Hey guys, this video tutorial is going to teach you guys how to install the Unjudged, which is a new add-on from the Judgement repo. As you're about to see, it's a really good all-in-one source, has all kinds of different content that I'm sure you'll be interested in. You may have heard about this add-on online, so let's look at how we install it. So from your Kodi main menu, you're going to go up to the little settings gear in the middle here. And then you're going to enter your file manager. And you're going to go to the bottom and you're going to go to add source. Click enter, enter on none. And then you're going to enter in this repo address, which is repo.theunjudged.com. And you're going to give this source and name. We're just going to call it Judge, and then you're going to click OK. You're going to go back to your main menu, go down, click on add-ons, and click on this little add-on package for the add-on browser. Install from zip file. Go down to that Judge that we just created, and we're going to install the Illuminati repo. So there used to be a Judgement repo, which is no longer. Everything is now under this Illuminati repo, so click OK. When it's done installing, go up to Install from Repository and find the Illuminati version 1.1.8 as of this time. Enter video add-ons, go down to the Unjudged. I already have it installed, so it's doesn't get me to install it again, but if you don't have it installed, click the install button. And when it's done, it will be good to go. So yeah, so you see inside of the add-on, lots of good sections here. We have a live TV section with a ton of different content. Movies, TV, a special sports area is here. Fitness. There's an anime section. And at the bottom of the add-on, you can even clear your cache here or head into the add-on settings where it gives you a few more options to go through. So this is the Unjudged Kodi add-on. Enjoy.